Good morning students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject mathematics. Chapter number 3, subtraction. Today beta we will read about a subtraction. This is our lecture number 2. Today's topics are properties of subtraction, simple subtraction of two-digit numbers. So beta, before starting subtraction, first we will study about properties. So here in property number 1, subtracting 1. By subtracting 1 from a number, we get the previous number. अगर बेटा हम किसी नंबर में से 1 माइनस करना चाहते हैं, then we get the previous number means पहले वाला नंबर हमें मिलता है. Let's see how. Like 7 minus 1. So beta, here we are subtracting 1 from 7. So we will get the previous number of 7 and that is 6. So our answer is 6. Understood? Here 21 minus 1. So what is the previous number of 21? That is 20. So our answer is 2020. Here 139 minus 1. So again we are subtracting 1 from 139. So we get the previous number and that is 138. Understood beta? So if we want to subtract 1 from any number, okay, we will get the previous number of that. 7 का previous number 6, 21, 20, 139, 138. Understood? Now, property number 2. Subtracting number from itself. इसका क्या मतलब है बेटा कि हम subtract कर रहे हैं same number को उसी number में से. When a number is subtracting from itself, the difference is 0. What is difference बेटा? जो हमारा result आता है that is the difference. So, when a number is subtracting from itself, the difference is 0. तो हमारा result 0 आता है. Let's see how. 11 minus 11. ठीक है? That is equal to 0. Or you can say if you have 2 chocolates and you will give 2 chocolates to your friend, then how many are left with you? That is 0. Understood? It means when we subtract a number from the number itself. Okay? कौन सा नंबर हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं? सेम नंबर जो हमारे पास है उसी नंबर को ही हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं. Then the difference is 0. Here in B part, 45 minus 45, that is equal to 0 because we are subtracting the same number. Okay. Now property number 3, subtracting 0. Now we want to subtract 0. So here when we subtract 0 from any number, the result is the number itself. Okay. अगर हम किसी नंबर में से 0 माइनस कर रहे हैं, then जो रिजल्ट आएगा, जो डिफरेंस करके रिजल्ट आया हमारे पास, that is the number itself. Or we can say subtracting 0 from a number means no subtraction. Understood beta? The difference is the number itself. Let's see how. 1 minus 0 means if you have 1 chocolate, okay, and you will not give it to anyone. Okay, then how many chocolates are with you? 1 only. Okay. Here you have 19 pencils and you are not giving any pencil to anyone. Then how many are left with you? 19. Okay. You have 335 toffees. Okay. And you are not giving any toffee to anyone. Then how many are left with you? 335. Understood beta? So if we want to subtract 0 from any number, the answer is the number itself. Now, subtraction of two-digit numbers. Today we will do subtraction without carryover. Okay, let's see. We have to keep these things in mind in subtraction sums. first we write greater number, then we write lesser number. बेटा डिफरेंस निकालने के लिए, सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए वी नीड टू नंबर्स, हमें दो नंबर्स की जरूरत होती है. तो हम सबसे पहले कौन सा नंबर लिखेंगे? जो ग्रेटर नंबर होगा, जो नंबर बड़ा होगा, पहले हम वो नंबर लिखेंगे और उसके नीचे हम छोटे वाला नंबर लिखेंगे. अंडरस्टूड बेटा? सो आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग द नंबर्स द रिजल्ट इज कॉल्ड द डिफरेंस. जब हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं नंबर्स को, तो जो रिजल्ट आता है वो रिजल्ट जो है वो हमारा डिफरेंस कहलाता है. सो अंडरस्टूड बेटा? We need two numbers for subtraction. First we will write the greater number and then we will write lesser number. And secondly, after subtracting the numbers, the result is called the difference. Yes beta, this is our homework notebook page. Okay, so today I am going to again tell you how to make format and how to do the work in this page. So here beta, first of all we have to make two lines format like this. Then first of all we will write here date, D-A-T-E, date. Then whatever the date is of today, you have to write that, and today is 19. Okay, so 19, then month, May month, and 2020 year. Okay beta. Then here we have to write day, and today is Tuesday. Then we have to write CW or HW. So now we are doing CW, so I am writing here CW. And if you will do your homework, then you will write HW here. And in between we have to write the chapter 3. Okay, and the name of the chapter, that is subtraction. Okay, then we have to do the sum. So here first sum is an example, like first question, part A, subtract 32 from 48. What is it means beta? It means कि हमें subtract करना है 32 को 48 में से. Okay, and I told you earlier that we have to write greater number first, then we have to write lesser number. So from 32 and 48 में से कौन सा बेटा बड़ा नंबर है? That is 48. So first we will write 48 and always remember the number that is given after from. वो नंबर जो from के बाद दिया होता है वो हमारा greater number होता है और हमें उसी को पहले लिखना होता है. Understood? So बेटा it is 2-digit number. This is also 2-digit number. So first of all we will write places, ones and tens. And always remember beta, we have to write the digits or alphabets, letters. Okay, okay, like this only. Means ये जो हमारी लाइन होती है, इस लाइन को टच करते हुए हमें लिखना है. Okay, and one column, one digit. So here 48 is given, so we will write 48 like this. 8 at ones place column and 4 at tens place column. Now we have to write 32 like this. Then we have to make these two lines, one upper part and one lower line. Then we have to put the sign of minus. Then we will start. And always remember बेटा, जैसे हमने addition में ones place से start किया था, यहाँ पर भी हमें ones place से ही start करना है. So here it is giving 8 and 2. So now you have to keep 8 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. But here we have to count backward counting. Minus में हम backward counting use करते हैं और addition में forward counting. So here 8 minus 2. So open your two fingers and let's start backward counting. Yes, before 8 we have to speak two numbers, 7, 6. So we will write 6 here at ones place column. Okay, and here at tens place column we have given 4 and 3. So keep 4 in your mind and we have to open our 3 fingers. Okay, and now we have to count backward counting before 4. So let's start 3, 2, 1. So we will write 1 here. So our answer is 1, 6, 16. So 48 minus 32 is equal to 60. Understood beta? How you have to do work in your notebook. Okay. So beta, question number 1, part A, it is given subtract 2 from 53. So here 2 is 1-digit number and 53 is 2-digit number. So first of all we will write two places here, ones and tens. Then we will write 53 first of all, because this number is greater than this 53. Then we have to write 2. So 2 is one digit, so we will write it at ones place column, and at tens place column we will write 0. 0, 2. Okay. Now we have to put the sign of minus, and we will start from our ones place. Always remember beta, हमें addition करना हो या subtraction करना हो, we always start from our ones place digits. So here we have 3 and 2. So keep 3 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. Okay. Now we have to speak backward counting. Always remember beta, in subtraction sums we have to speak backward counting. Okay. So before 3 we have to count two numbers, that is 2 and 1. So 1 we will write at ones place column. And here at tens place column 5 minus 0. So we will get the same number, that is 5. So our answer is 5 1 51. Okay. Now in B part, subtract 5 from 69. Here again this is one digit number and this is two digit number. So first of all we will write two places, ones and tens. First of all we will write 69. Then we have to write 5. And because 5 is one digit number, so how we will write it? Under two places, 0 5. Okay. And then we will put the minus sign. Now we will start from ones place. So keep 9 in your mind and open your 5 fingers. Now we have to speak counting, that is backward counting. Okay, before 9. So let's start counting. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So we will write 4 here at ones place column. And 6 minus 0 is 6. So our answer is 64. Understood beta? Now in C part, subtract 1 from 49. So here first of all we will write places, ones and tens. Then we will write 49. And how we will write 1? Yes, under tens and ones place, that is 0 1. Okay. And now we have to subtract. So 9 minus 1. So keep 9 in your mind and 1 on your fingers. So before 9 we have to speak one number, that is 8. Previous number we will get, and 4 minus 0 the same number, 4. So our answer is 4 8 48. Now in D part, subtract 2 from 78. So here again first of all we will write places, ones and tens. 78 first we will write. Then how we will write 2? That is 0 2. Okay. Then we have to put the minus sign. Now we will start from our ones place. Keep 8 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting before 8. Okay. So let's start 7, 6. So we will write a 6 here at ones place column. And 7 minus 0 is 7, the number itself. So our answer is 7 6 76. Now in E part, subtract 66 from 78. Now you can see beta, this is two digit number, this is also two digit number. So we have to write two places, ones and tens. So 78. So beta, first we will write 78 because 78 is greater number from these two. Okay, then we will write a 66 under it. Okay, now we have to put the minus sign. So we will start from our ones place. 8 minus 6. So keep 8 in your mind and 6 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So we will write 2 here at ones place column. Now here again it is given 7. So we will keep 7 in our mind and 6 on your fingers. So let's start counting, backward counting before 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we will write 1 here. So what is our answer? 78 minus 66 is equal to 12. Now in F part, subtract 16 from 39. So first of all we will write places, ones and tens. Then we will write 39, which is given after from, and then we will write 16. Now we have to put the sign of minus. So we will start from our ones place, keep 9 in your mind and 6 on your fingers. Yes. Now we have to speak backward counting beta, है ना? Let's start counting 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So our answer is 3 at ones place. Okay. And at tens place, keep 3 in your mind and 1 on your finger. So we will get the previous number, and the previous number of 3 is 2. So our answer is 2, 3, 23. Now in G part, subtract 80 from 96. So first of all we will write places, ones and tens. So 96 first we will write, then we will write 80. Now we have to subtract. So we will start from our ones place, keep 6 in your mind and 0 on your fingers. Or you can say, if we want to subtract a 0 from any number, then we will get the same number, that is 6. Okay, and 9 minus 8. Now keep 9 in your mind and 8 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we will write 1 here. So our answer is 1, 6, 16. Now in H part, subtract 51 from 76. Okay, so first of all we will write places, ones and tens. After from which number is given? 76. Then we will write 51 under it. Now we have to put the minus sign. So let's start from our ones place. Keep 6 in your mind and 1 on your finger. So we will get the previous number, that is 5. Now keep 7 in your mind and 5 on your fingers. So before 7 we have to count 5 numbers. Let's start counting, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So we will write 2 here. So 76 minus 51 is equal to 25. Now beta in I part, we have to subtract 24 from 45. So first of all we will write places, ones and tens. Now we will write 45. Then we have to write 24. Okay, now we will put minus sign. So we will start from our ones place, keep 5 in your mind and 4 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. Let's start 4, 3, 2, 1. So we will write 1 here at ones place column. Now keep 4 in your mind and open your 2 fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. Before 4, that is 3 and 2. So we will write 2 here. So our answer is 2, 1, 21. Now in J part, subtract 40 from 90. So first of all we will write 2 places, ones and tens, because 2-digit numbers are there. Now after from which number is given, that is 90, we will write, then we will write 40. Now we have to put sign of minus. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 4. So keep 9 in your mind and open your 4 fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. So let's start 8, 7, 6, 5. So we will write 5 here at tens place column. So our answer is 50, 50. Now in K part, subtract 16 from 86. So again this is 2-digit numbers. So we will write 2 places, ones and tens. So first of all we will write 86. Then under it we will write 16. Then we will put sign of minus. So we will start from our ones place, 6 minus 6. Now this is our property कि जब हम 6 में से 6 minus करेंगे same number, then we will get 0. Okay, and 8 minus 1. So keep 8 in your mind, 1 on your finger, we will get the previous number. है ना? This is also our property, so we will write 7 here. So our answer is 70, 70. Now in L part, subtract 35 from 56. So again we will write places, ones and tens. Then we will write 56 first of all. Then under it we will write 35. Now we have to put sign of minus. So we will start from our ones place. Keep 6 in your mind and 5 on your fingers. Now start backward counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we will write 1 here at ones place column. And at tens place column, keep 5 in your mind. Open 3 fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 4, 3, 2. So we will write 2 here. So our answer is 2 1 21. Now today's homework beta, side by side we will learn tables. So learn and write table of 10 twice in notebook. Twice means beta 2 times. You have to make format first of all, okay? Then you have to write table of 10 twice and send it on my ID. Okay beta? Now beta, homework discussion of lecture number 1. Okay? So beta, I given you solve the sums. So here first sum is 43 minus 6. So beta, now here we have to subtract 6 from 43. So we will count backward counting. So keep 43 in your mind and open your 6 fingers. Now we will start counting before 43. Let's start 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37. So our answer is 37, 37. Now in question number 2, 32 minus 7. So keep 32 in your mind and open your 7 fingers. So let's start counting before 32. 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. So we'll write 25 here. Now in question number 3, 30 minus 5. So now keep 30 in your mind and we have to speak backward counting. So let's start counting 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. So our answer is 25, 25. Now in fourth question, 12 minus 3. So now keep 12 in your mind and open your 3 fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting 11, 10, 9. So our answer is 9. Now in fifth question, 8 minus 5. So keep 8 in your mind and open your 5 fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So our answer is 3. Now in sixth question, 21 minus 4. So keep 21 in your mind and open your 4 fingers. So before 21 we have to count 4 numbers. 20, 19, 18, 17. So our answer is 1, 7, 17. Now in seventh question, 10 minus 2. So keep 10 in your mind and open your 2 fingers. Now we have to speak 2 numbers before 10. 9, 8. So our answer is 8. Understood beta? Thank you.